When we're preparing to get our stone on the workstation, we use a board with a piece of cement board glued to it. We set that on there, we space them so that the stone will sit, and when we do our cutout, the bit will be able to cut into it and also support the cutout. After positioning your stone, we put a piece of tape on. We mark our center line of our sink cutout, and then we mark the web or the rail distance back, and now you're ready to position your CNC machine on and locate and cut your sinkhole. We simply take a transfer card, put our CNC machine on top of the stone. Once we roll into position, we lower it into place. We remove the cart, we're ready to start our CNC process. Once you have your machine in position, simply hook the air line up. The venturi will suck the machine down. Now you're ready to machine your sinkhole. After positioning the machine, we use a remote pendant to move an X, Y, and Z to bring it into the home zero position, being ready for cut. Once the machine is in position, hit the 0 XYZ, then OK. Now the machine is ready to download the sync file to cut it. At this point, you're ready to run your file. You hit USB, which is on a jump drive. It pulls up what you want to run. We're going to select the 1417 select. We're going to hit next, and then start, and the machine will start. Now that the sinkhole is cut, we simply take your transfer card, push it in, load it, and remove it. Now just simply rinse your piece off. Use a cup. Bolt holes out.